Before install, apply multi-purpose grease to the threads of both pedals. The left pedal is reverse threaded. Begin threading the left pedal by hand, rotating it counterclockwise. Once the pedal can no longer be threaded by hand, use a 15mm pedal wrench to tighten the pedal snugly against the crank arm. Hold the emergency brake to completely tighten the pedal to 42 Nm torque. The right pedal is standard threaded. Begin threading the right pedal by hand, rotating it clockwise. Once the pedal can no longer be threaded by hand, use a 15mm pedal wrench to tighten the pedal snugly against the crank arm. Hold the emergency brake to completely tighten the pedal to 42 Nm torque. The SP4 pedal has an SBD clip on one side and a Look Delta clip on the other side. The tension for clipping or unclipping from each pedal is set on an adjustment screw located on either side of the pedal. Rotate the screw clockwise to add tension to the spring and counterclockwise to remove tension from the spring. Repeat the process on the other side of the pedal to adjust the Delta spring tension. Pedals are set to mid-range tension on both SPD and Look Delta tension settings as default. To install the toe cage accessory, insert the hook on the bottom of the toe cage into the front of the Delta side of the pedal. Pull back on the gray clip on the back of the toe clip and press the clip over the back side of the pedal. Release the gray clip as you press down and listen for an audible click to indicate the toe cage has been securely installed. To remove the toe cage, pull back on the gray tab at the rear of the toe cage and lift the toe cage out of the pedal. To tighten the toe clip, pull up on the strap loop. To release the strap, press the gray button while pulling up on the toe cage housing.